Moi kaikki ja hyvää ystävän päivää. Hyvää ystävän päivää. So, because huomenna on ystävänpäivä, I wanted to make a video about Finnish endearments. So endearments that you would use between partners. Not really between friends. I've made a video about Valentine's Day in Finland before, so if you want to check that out, I'll link it down below. But in Finland, Valentine's Day has traditionally been advertised as Friends Day, and it's even in the name, ystävänpäivä. So ystävän, friends, päivä, day. So it's marketed as a day for friendships, and also in the advertising you'll see 1+1 deals in different restaurants or in different places, but it's not just you can go here with your partner. It's take your friend out to dinner or go with your friend to this place. So it's not just about couples, which I personally like. Alright, so Finnish endearments. One would be muru. Muru. Muru, which means a crumb. Like a cookie crumb or a bread crumb. Muru. That's the word you would use for a crumb, as well as an endearment. Hei muru. Another common one is kulta. Kulta. This one literally translates to gold. Gold as in the color or the metal. Kulta. Kulta. And a cuter form of this would be kultsi. Kultsi, which comes from the word kulta. Kulta. Kultsi. And then combining kulta, kultsi, and muru, you get kullan muru. Kullan muru. So gold's crumb. Crumb of gold. Kullan muru. Which can also be used as a form of endearment. Kullan muru. Another one is kullan nuppu. Kullan nuppu. And some of these can also be used for your children. For example, kullan nuppu, you hear sometimes parents saying that to their very young children. Kullan nuppu. And nuppu means a bud. Before the flower blooms, it is a bud. So in Finnish, nuppu. So a bud of gold, a gold's bud. Kullan nuppu. Then we have the classic rakas. Rakas, which comes from the word rakasta, to love, or love, rakkaus. So rakas comes from this, rakas. It kind of would mean dear in English, like it kind of carries the same meaning. Rakas. So those ones I just listed, I think, are the ones you might most commonly hear. I don't think Finnish people in general use terms of endearment that much. You don't hear it that often. And a lot of the times couples will just use first names, like their partner's first name, or then maybe a nickname, either a nickname from their own name, or some kind of inside nickname that they've come up amongst the two of them. A lot of Finnish people's first names are shortened or changed a bit to become a nickname. For example, the dog that I go walk from time to time, her name is Liisa, and the name Liisa in Finnish is commonly, a nickname is made out of it called Lissu. Lissu. Or then back in school, there was a guy in my class called Aleksanteri, and a lot of the time, this name in Finnish is shortened to Santtu. So people would call him Santtu. Anyways, I just wanted to make this quick video about Finnish endearments. What did you think about those? Do you have any fun ones in your language? Do let me know down in the comments below. Or what do you call your partner? Kerro kommenteissa. Kiitos tosi paljon, kun katsoitte tämän videon ja nähdään ensi videossa. Moikka!